Having trouble finding the fuse box on your 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E or figuring out which fuses control which systems? If you're dealing with electrical issues and unsure if it's a fuse, this guide is here to help. We'll show you the exact location and provide a clear diagram to identify the fuses for different systems in your Mustang Mach-E. Underhood fuse box. The 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E underhood fuse box controls essential systems like cooling and lighting, with clearly labeled fuses for easy identification. It's housed under a protective cover for efficient and safe access during maintenance. Body control module fuse box. The 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E body control module fuse box manages interior functions like lighting, windows, and locks. It features clearly labeled fuses for easy identification and is conveniently located for quick access beneath a dashboard panel. Battery fuse box. The 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E battery fuse box manages charging and power distribution for the high-voltage battery with clearly labeled fuses for easy identification. It's located near the battery for secure and efficient access.
Type of fuses: blade fusee, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.